Hi everybody, this is Amy from Council Tree Library, and I'm going to read you a book that goes along with my Gnome Zone challenge about chalk. This book is called The Case of the Missing Chalk Drawings. It's written by Richard Byrne and published by Henry Holt Company. All right, let's get started. The chalks were having fun drawing when Mrs. Red called them in for lunch. But when the chalks came back from lunch, they were surprised to find all the flowers are gone. The chalks started a new drawing, but this time Mrs. Red also made a big red fence. That should keep the flowers safe while we go in for a story, she said. But it didn't. After story time, the flowers were gone, and so was the fence. Someone is stealing our drawings. Sergeant Blue arrived to investigate and quickly noted some important evidence. The culprit is this tall and very dusty. Sergeant Blue rounded up some suspicious-looking characters. Too thin, too small, too pointy, too tall, too hairy. Please turn around. He's got a dusty red bottom. Case closed. But before Sergeant Blue could put the culprit in prison, the robber fled in a cloud of dust. Look at all that. The chalks chased the robber, but they could not catch him. The chalks were stumped. Fortunately, Sergeant Blue had a plan. When the robber came upon a new drawing, he couldn't resist. Rainbow! Here I come! The chalks suddenly leaped out from their hiding places. Robber! Caught you! The chalkboard eraser felt wrongly accused. I'm not a robber, I'm an eraser. You draw stuff and I erase it, and then you can draw more stuff. The chalks felt very guilty. They had made a terrible mistake. Sergeant Blue knew how to make things right, though. They should all chase the eraser again, but this time just for fun. Look at that racetrack and the finish line, and they all came in first place together. Thank you for listening to The Case of the Missing Chalk Drawings by Richard Byrne. Have a great day and have fun drawing some sidewalk chalk.